You open Instagram like you always do, except this time. It says your password is wrong. You try to reset it, but your recovery email's been changed. You've been hacked. Your account, gone. Your messages, your memories, someone else owns them now. This happens to creators, teens, businesses, anyone. And most of the time, you didn't even know you were vulnerable. It usually starts with a message like, "Hey, I made a fan edit of you." Or a fake collab offer, or your account is under review alert. You click a link, looks like Instagram, you log in. Boom. You just gave away your username and password to a hacker's fake site. This is called phishing, and it works because it looks real, and they move fast. But it doesn't stop there. The second you log in, the hacker gets an instant notification and acts fast. They log in, change your password, your recovery email, even your phone number. Now, you're locked out. And they're in. They turn on two-factor authentication with their own device. So even if you try to recover your account, Instagram will send them the code, not you. Hackers don't just steal your password, they steal your digital identity. And they do it by making you trust something that looks familiar. You'd think only tech illiterates would fall for these scams, but not. It happens to smart people every day too. People who know better, people who've heard the warnings, people like you. So, why do most of you still fall for it? 1. It looks legit. Hackers clone the real Instagram login page. Same layout, same font, same logo. They'll even use a URL like Instagram.com, and your brain doesn't catch the RN trick. You don't see it because your brain sees what it expects to see. Number 2. It creates panic. You get a message saying, your account is under review. Click to verify in 10 minutes or it'll be disabled. And just like that, you're in fight or flight mode. You click, you log in, you don't even think. #3. You're distracted. You're scrolling half asleep or answering DMs in traffic. Or you've got 10 tabs open and a deadline in 30 minutes. That's when you're vulnerable, not because you're dumb, but because you're human. Number 4. It feeds the ego. Hey, I made a fan edit of you, let's collab. We want to feature your work on our page. You feel flattered, you don't want to miss out. And boom, your guard drops. That's why awareness matters, because if you think it can't happen to you, you're their easiest target. Okay, so how do you protect yourself from all this? Rule 1. Don't click suspicious links ever. That fan edit message, that free iPhone giveaway. If it feels random, it's probably a trap. Pause, think, don't click. Rule 2. Check the URL. Hackers love fake login pages that look like Instagram or Gmail. Always double check the URL. If it's weird, walk away. Rule 3. Turn on two-factor authentication. Even if they steal your password, they won't get past that second lock. Your code, your phone, it's your last defense. Rule 4. Use a password manager, reusing the same password everywhere. That's how one hack becomes a total wipeout. Password managers generate and store unique, complex passwords for every site. Rule 5. Stay paranoid, stay protected. It's not about being scared. It's about being smarter. Hackers don't break in. We let them in, don't give them the keys. Protect yourself, because no one else will. Hackers aren't stopping, so neither should you. You just learned how they get in, and how to stop them. Now it's time to go deeper. Don't miss every Sunday's full breakdown on how your entire life can be hijacked from one weak link. Subscribe, share this with someone who needs to know. Stay sharp and safe out there. We'll see you in the next one.